Okay, so I like pyramids and cones because it's like prisms and cylinders, but with a 1/3.
Okay, I've asked you to put this away. Everyone else has followed my directions and done that and turned to page 8. I need you to do the same. So go put that away. Get out a piece of paper to write this.
Okay, so to find the volume of a prism, did I give you a pencil? Who did I give a pencil to? Oh, well, Aiden has a pencil now. That looks like mine. Okay, to find the volume of a prism, we take area of the base times the height. Okay. To find the volume of a pyramid, we're going to take 1/3 area of the base times the height. So it's very similar to what we did with cylinders to cones. Okay. To find our prisms, we're going to do the same thing, but for a pyramid, we just got to throw a 1/3 out in front of it. Okay. So we're going to look at a few different kinds of pyramids. It's really important for us to figure out what the base is so we can find the area of the base. Okay. So look at number 1, and what I want you to do is I want you to write the formula.
What does BH mean?
Oh, big B.
Base times height.
Big B means area of the base, and H means height. Not draw on my table. You can write things down on this piece of paper. Okay. Awesome. Head up. You write stuff down. So what should you do? Okay. Could you please trace the base of this pyramid? So with your pencil, trace the base. And what we're going to do is we are going to redraw the base over here. That was terrible. What is our base? What shape is that?
Square.
Ah, it's a square whose sides are what? 12 and 12. Its sides are 12 and 12, right? So the first thing we have to do in order to find the volume of our square base pyramid, we need to find big B, the area of the base.
Then when you do 12 times 12, which is 124.
Is Tony correct? We need to take 12 times 12 to find the area of that square, which is 144. Okay. That was a good idea. You were right.
That's all you.
Emma.
You said she was about to say that.
Naya. No.
What did I say? You guys are mad.
Okay. So now, Tatum, what's the height of our pyramid?
10.
Okay. So the height is whatever segment is connecting the tippy top point to the middle of the base. So in this case, it's 10. So if we want to do 1/3 area of the base times the height, we found the area of our base to be 144 and our height is 10. Okay. So just like yesterday, what I'd like you to do, hold on. I would like you to take 144 times 10 and then do what with it? Then divide it by 3.
Do you have to square the 144 though?
We do not. Now I believe you're gonna get some sort of decimal.
480. 480. No decimal.
No decimal?
No.
Oh man. You're right. 480. And what's our label?
480 feet cubed.
We're working with volume, so we're gonna take our label and make sure that it's a units cubed.
So smart, dude. This is kind of easy.
I'm glad that you feel that way. Are you gonna write this stuff down? Why not?
It doesn't matter.
Why doesn't it matter?
It just does.
Do you have a pencil?
No.
Would you like to borrow one?
I'll be okay.
Yes, you would. Okay, in number 2, do we have a pyramid?
Yeah.
We have a pyramid. Okay, I hear a lot of talking right now, and I should not hear any. Okay, in number 2, what I would like you to do is trace the base.
I'm gonna have the CSA. It's not gonna stay up. So like, where good.
Okay, so we're gonna trace the base, and then we're gonna redraw the base over here. What is our base? What shape is that? Hey, it's okay. Okay, what are the sides of this rectangle that we
18 and
traced?
5.
Okay, 18 and 5. So what I want you to do is I want you to redraw that base. Right now it is a rectangle. I'm gonna label my rectangle. And in order to find big B, the area of the base, we are going to do what?
5 times 18.
Okay, 5 times 18, 18 times 5. Luckily you have a calculator. 90?
90.
Let's wait until after we take notes, okay? I don't want you to miss it. Okay?
Wait, so
Yeah.
maybe 1/3 90 times 7.
Okay, so Cash asked me a question. Can you help answer Cash's question? Cash asked, would it be 1/3 times 90 times 7? Yes, 7. Can you just stop talking, please? Teal table. Thank you. 7 is the height of our pyramid. So we're going to take 1/3 times the area of our base times the height of our pyramid. Kanaya, what do you get? 630 is 210. Nice. That's what you got? Okay, so how about you do number 3 and see if you and your elbow partner can get the same answer for number 3. Ready, set, go. 8 times 3 is 24.
All right, Miss Sullivan, can you come here? I'm here. Answer to number 3. It's the answer to number 3. Hold up. 155 squared. I know. Just get those out.
Yeah, he said that we should also try to get.
It's easy.
I agree.
Yeah.
I just really.
All right. Check your answer with your elbow partner. Maybe because you're Kit Kat.
I got something.
We're doing this problem.
I got something.
You can tell me. So do my computer so I can figure it out.
Just hold it.
Yeah.
With these pyramids, you have to like cut them down. I know. Like, will you ever have to like cut them down?
So can you just wait and I'll explain what we do when we have a triangle pyramid?
What is a triangle?
Okay, we have a rectangular base with sides 8 and 3. So the area of your base, did you get 24? Okay. When you find the volume, did you take 1/3 times 24 times 9? Because 9 is the height of our pyramid. So when I'm walking around the room, I'm seeing lots of answers that are 72 cubic centimeters. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank God.
It's so easy today.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 2 examples that are triangles instead of rectangles. And then I will give you the homework you need to do, okay?
It's gonna be a good outside.
So let's look at number 4. Do you see how now our base is a triangle instead of a rectangle? Can you please shut your mouth and trace the base?
You said, "Can you please shut your mouth?"
It wasn't just for one person.
She's been talking the whole class. It's like my first time talking.
Okay, and now, now, do you notice how we have a base that is a triangle? Oh, that is a terrible triangle. Ooh, look, now it worked out okay. All right, so I'm gonna redraw our triangle just like I see it on my pyramid. Okay, help me out, please. What length is this side? Okay, what length is this side? And then the third side is 10. Now, do I need all 3 of those numbers? Okay, Reagan, which one do I cross out? We do not need 10. We are looking for the 2 numbers that are on the lines connected to the right angle. Wherever the right angle box is, we're looking for the segments that touch it. So 6 and 8 are touching the right angle box. Now, how do we find the area of a triangle? Hey, Emma, look. Emma, look.
1/2 times base times height.
Okay, so if the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, then to find the area of this base, we're gonna take 1/2 times 6 times 8.
The answer is 24.
Then when we divide it by 2, we get
12.
How are we divided by 2?
I thought you said.
Good. Okay, so what Emma did is she took 6 times 8 and she got 48 and then was like, oh, I need to divide by 2. What you did is you took 0.5 times 6 times 8. Same thing. Okay. Austin. 24 is the area of our base. What is the height of our pyramid? Okay, so notice how 10 is there, but 10 means nothing to us.
So the answer is 24?
No. The answer is 1/3 times the area of our triangle times 11, which is the height of our pyramid.
So 1/3 times 24 times 11?
Okay. Okay, because you would have 264 divided by 3, which gives you 88.
I get 11. Oh, never mind.
Yeah. And I appreciate that you're paying attention. We have one more problem to do. Okay, and then I can use some information. Okay, sound good? We have one more to do together. Open it and let me see how strong it is. I think we'll be okay. Thank you for asking.
Okay, and number 5, trace the base. So a little bit of trivia for you here. Every time I say trace the base, it makes me think of a band called Ace of Base, which is the band that Gwen Stefani was in before she was Gwen Stefani.
Didn't Mr. Powell say something about that?
Probably. Okay, no,
That was.
they're like,
Old band, girl.
okay, they're, I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, so here is our base. Is there something drawn on the triangle of our base? There's like this, right? Yeah, and how long is that?
9.5.
That is 9.5. So it's saying, hey, this is 9.5. And this bottom part is how long? 16. Okay, so do you notice how those two are the pieces that touch the right angle box, right?
Yes.
How what? Okay. So if I want to find the area of our base, remember a triangle is 1/2 base times height. We're gonna take 1/2 times 16 times 9.5.
That's so much work.
Wait, what?
76?
Let me work.
Is that right?
Yeah.
How do you put 1/2?
0.5.
I didn't know if I did that. I didn't know.
76, and then you do.
Okay, just hold on, Tony.
Ready?
Okay, so are we getting 76?
Yes.
Okay, so now when we take, if the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height, then we're gonna take 1/3 times 76. Oh no, what's my height? Okay, remember, we're looking for the line that connects the pointy vertex all the way down to the triangle base. So it's 14.
54.6.
Ash, what was your question? Okay, glad I could help. Well, what did you get? 354.66666666. Okay, so if we have this, then we would round it to what?
7.
We would round it to 0.7.
But I'm just gonna keep it 6. At 6.
Would be a rebel.
Well, what did you take points off for that?
I probably wouldn't. But you know what I'll do? I'll go. That's annoying.
So are we done now? So I can work on my homework. Page 10, 11, 10, 11, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 8.
So you're gonna go back